Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming healthcare as we know it. AI is revolutionizing how we diagnose diseases. It's like having a super-powered magnifying glass for medical images. AI algorithms can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and scans. Ever heard of personalized medicine? It's like tailoring a suit, but for your health. AI can analyze your genetic makeup. AI isn't just about brains, it's about steady hands too. Surgical robots are changing the game in the operating room. Forget waiting on hold. AI virtual assistants are your 24/7 health guides. They can answer your health questions. Your health doesn't stop at the doctor's office. AI-powered devices are keeping tabs on you even when you're not there. The future of AI in healthcare is incredibly exciting. Imagine AI diagnosing diseases before you even feel sick. The possibilities are endless. AI is here to stay, and it's changing the face of medicine for the better. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos on the amazing advancements in healthcare technology.